1 lakh monthly investment to earn somewhere around 18 crore rupees. Today's question for discussion is, I am 30, I want to invest 1 lakh per month for the next 25 years and then retire. What should be my plan of investment? Okay, investment of rupees 1 lakh per month is really good. He or she gets to overcome the lost period, which is all the compounding he or she could have done in their 20s by just investing more in their 30s. Basically, there are three ways to earn retirement. Number one, either you start early and gradually increase your investment over time, or you can start whenever you can but invest huge lump sums. Or the third option is you can do a mix of both, meaning apart from monthly SIPs, you can also invest lump sums when there is money to invest and when the market is down and it's beneficial to invest. Hello everyone, I'm Rakshith and in this video, I'll tell you how you can invest 1 lakh rupees per month for the next 25 years to have a good retirement. If all that I'm about to explain seems complicated, or if you wish to just hand over your cash and have a trusted person handle it all for you, don't worry, we have got it covered. Invest via ET Money Genius. It's a membership program that helps you manage your investment. More about ET Money at the end of this video. Also, if you want me to answer your queries, that is any specific questions, mention them in the comment section. You can also connect to us via social media accounts. Check the channel description for more information. Now let's get started. Total investment amount. So he or she is ready to invest rupees 1 lakh per month, which amounts to 12 lakh rupees for a year, or a total of 3 crore rupees in investment over 25 years. Where to invest? When the sole purpose of investing is to cover retirement, we can rest assured that the investment must be made for the long term in assets that compound over time. Given the fact that this individual is ready to invest 1 lakh per month, it says that he or she is living a good life now and even prefers not to compromise on it for the future. So basically, this person wants good return for their investment, and a retirement corpus of something like 15 to 20 crores would be fine. In any case, there are assets that deliver good returns but none better than equity. So your major investments must be in equity. But fully investing in equity isn't suggested. So what to do? Your investment must be diversified among following categories. Number one, equity, direct or indirect, contributing 75%. Number two, bullion and debt instruments, contributing 10%. And number three, retirement accounts such as NPS, PF, contributing 15%. Now let's check them in detail. How to invest? Now that we know where to invest, let's see how this 1 lakh rupees per month or 12 lakh a year can be invested for better returns. First and foremost, by investing 12 lakh rupees a year, you are for sure earning a lot more than that, which means you will fall under 20 or even 30% tax bracket, right? In that case, it is important for you to take advantage of all the benefits offered under the tax codes, meaning to invest in such assets that provide tax benefits. I have made a detailed video on the topic wherein you can invest 2 lakh per year and save entire amount from tax and earn 3.5 crores in 25 years. Watch this video to learn more. You must invest rupees 2 lakh in 3 different portions, namely number 1, EPS amounting 84,000, and second one is 36,000 in PF, and the balance 80,000 in ELSS. The detailed video with full explanation is given in the other video. Check the link in the description for more information. So I hope this covers your 2 lakh rupees investment. Now the remaining 10 lakh must be put into stocks and other similar investments. Out of this 10 lakh investment, at least 1 lakh you must invest in that which have zero correlation to the others, meaning a non-correlated asset can give returns when the others doesn't. For example, we know equity investment returns tend to go down at times. We call them a correction or a crash in the market. You need investment in assets that give returns even when the equity market is suffering. This way, your net return on investment each year will stay positive. This you can do by investing in debt and bullion. Bullion is nothing but gold and silver. You can invest in these assets in a ratio of 60 to 40 or even 50-50 basis. Most people do this way. I suggest putting just 1 lakh in debt and bullion and the balance 9 lakh in equity. Just so you know, most of your investment in NPS and PF are invested in equity and debt instruments in a ratio of 80-20 or 75-25 depending on which account you have. So a 2 lakh in NPS, PF and ELSS combo as suggested and 1 lakh in gold and silver and the balance 9 lakh in equity will do wonders to your portfolio. Return on investment. Your investment can be classified into 3 categories. And the returns expected after 25 years of investment are as follows. Number 1, you must invest in NPS, PF and ELSS combo with a total investment of 2 lakh per annum, which can yield you somewhere around 3.5 crore returns in 25 years. Number 2, equity SIP. You must invest at least 9 lakh rupees per annum in equity and equity related instruments. Select top mutual funds and invest rupees 75,000 per month via SIP or a total of 9 lakh rupees per annum. To know more about mutual fund investing, check out this article. Link in the description. Anyway, with a total of 9 lakh investment per annum for the next 25 years and expecting a 12% return on investment, your estimated return upon maturity will be 14.25 crores. Number 3, bullion and debt investing. Usually debt instrument will yield returns over and above fixed deposit rates and can reach a maximum of 9 to 9.5% safe. And your gold and silver investment can give an annual appreciation of around 10% if held for long term. So assuming a 9% CAGR on your 1 lakh investment for the next 25 years and you can expect a maturity value of somewhere around 95 lakh to 1 crore rupees. Conclusion. The reason why we diversify is because the investment you make, even with all the due diligence and proper research, can still go wrong. So it is crucial that we diversify your investment. Also, what if you need to withdraw part of your investment for some emergency expenses? That's why we invest in short-term and long-term assets, right? Considering the investment as explained above, with a total investment of 3 crore rupees in 25 years, we can expect a total maturity amount for the retirement of somewhere over 18 crore rupees. I hope this answers your question. Now let's see what Eat a Money Genius is all about. Hi there. Do you take stock tips, invested in them, lost money? Well, instead of repeating the same mistake, earn better returns by subscribing to ET Money Genius. ET Money Genius will understand your risk profile and suggest different investment options for varying time periods, thus helping you build a very well diversified portfolio. High quality stocks that yield better returns are chosen so that you need not wait for years. So what is the expected return? Well, if you had invested as per the ET Money Genius high growth stock strategy for any 7 years in the last 15 years, you would have earned 22.4% CAGR. The wait ends here because with no additional work, you can earn a wonderful return just by subscribing to ET Money Genius membership. Check the link in the description. Thank you for watching.